Yes, yes! Package from China!
Pandora time!
Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about the Pandora box arcade game station from 3E Games. This is not the normal version, this is the 8-button version. So let's unbox it and let's see what we're going to get. Alright people, and then is the question, what comes inside the box? For the people who already have seen some of my videos, yeah, it's mostly the same. But alright, I'm going to guide you through what's inside the box. First of all, it comes with a VGA cable because you can connect it to a VGA monitor. HDMI cable, if you buy them from 3E Games, most of the time they're giving you this high quality, very long HDMI cable. Spare buttons, if you have any problems or replace them due of wear. USB cable for connecting it to a console. And we have here the power supply. It's the basic 12 volt 3 amps power supply that comes almost with every box. This is an old manual, but yeah, it comes with a basic manual. And inside they're all the same with some games and explanation how it works. Alright, let's take a closer look at the stick itself. And here at the top of the arcade stick we are finding extra buttons like the pause button, start button. And some extra buttons for if you want to use it like just an arcade stick on your Xbox and PlayStation 3. And at this side we are finding the Pandora box decal, light up, really nice, coin button and a power button. And here at the right side for Play 2, the button layout is exactly the same, with a nice stick. Alright, and here we're finding the Pandora box itself. They did some changes. For example, they are having now 3 USB sticks at the back, but that is because we are using the USB stick storage 16 GB here at the back. In the previous model, number 5, we have the USB stick in the inside. On the main board itself, here we got a setting button, volume, audio out, VGA, HDMI and the connector for the 12 volt power adapter. Alright people, let's do some gameplay. Power it on, and it's Pandora time!
You win. Hey, yo!
Scorpion, win. Well done. Flawless victory.
Alright, for the final conclusion, what I really like to point out and that you really need to consider for yourself, the A button version is not really usable for the Pandora software because the Pandora software only supports 6 buttons. So that is something you really need to know. It's maybe handy if you just want to use it on your PlayStation 3 or Xbox 360, then you can use the 8 buttons. It's a little bit bigger, the stick, so if you, that's a two-player stick, so you're not getting that extra cozy feeling when playing on the stick because you have more room, so that is something I really love about the stick. The software itself, Pandora Box 6, is really awesome. They did a lot of great changes, like for example the menu, they improved, they listened to the community. So yeah, in that case, it's really awesome. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Fight!